Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to automate Pinterest pinning. So basically, this is a guide on how to automate Pinterest pinning. Number one, you have to choose a Pinterest automation tool. First things first, you have to make sure that you're using the business account. So set up your Pinterest business account. Now choose a Pinterest automation tool. Several tools can schedule and automate pins. Popular option includes Tailwind, officially approved by Pinterest, Buffer, Hootsuite, and Later. So once you have chosen one, then you can set up your Pinterest account. Again, make sure your Pinterest account is a business account required for analytics and scheduling. Now optimize your boards with clear titles and descriptions. Ensure your profile has a professional look like logo, bio, and website link if applicable. Now create high quality pins. Use tools like Canva to design visually appealing pins. You can use vertical 2 to 3 ratio as they perform best. Include descriptive title, keywords, and descriptions for a better SEO. So as you can see, I'm currently using Canva, and then I'm going to download and upload this picture on my Pinterest. Now organize your content, sort your pins by topics or boards, group related pins together to maintain a consistent posting strategy. Decide whether to repin existing content. After that, you can schedule your pins. You can choose automation tools like Tailwind and other platforms. You can set recurring pins to boost older content automatically. After that, you can automate with smart loops and bulk upload. Track performance, as you can see in the business account, you will see analytics right here, and maintain Pinterest rules. So, a quick tip, automating doesn't mean set and forget. Regularly review your boards, update pins, and optimize for trending keywords to keep your account active and growing. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.